we have our block and allow list, and our block and allow list allows us to do a few things here. We have these buttons that are block domain and allow domain. If we are interested in blocking everything but Google Docs, then this is the buttons that you're going to want to be familiar with. So if I turn this block domain off and I say I want to block, I just say images, you'll notice it says images.google.com. It's specifically blocking that image. If I turn this on and I want to block the same thing, you'll notice it'll say *google.com. And that wildcard says it's going to block everything in Google. So if you don't want to block everything in that domain that's google.com, you'll want to make sure that button is unchecked when you enter the block. So in this case, I'm going to say I want Google blocked, but I want to allow Google Images. And so I'll want to turn that button off, click on my allow list, and now I type in images.google.com. I click allow page, and you'll see it does say images.google.com. Again, if I had this button checked and I tried to do images, you can see that it has the wildcard again, and it'll allow everything in Google and not just the images.com. So that's what those buttons do. This button here just allows you to keep it for your next session, so you don't have to keep retrying. And I also recommend that you can save a list. If it's a list that you've built up and there's several things on there and you want to keep using it over and over, you can go ahead and save this list, call it something, and then in the future, you can pull your list from here, and load it, and then you don't have to re-enter all the things anymore. You can also import a list if you've downloaded one with the URLs and such.